Hey guys, it's Miss McLean, and today we're going to be doing some more second grade math. This time, of course, MK is going to be doing it, so let's get into it.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing some math problems. Get your notebooks and let's get started. So this one is our first one. Get this open. So first we're going to be taking this number and this one and adding it together, which will be 6. Then 5 plus 3 equals 9. And then
Double check that one. 5 plus 3 is equal to what? Good.
Okay. So this is our next one. It's 3 plus 2, which would be 5. And then our last one, which is 4 plus 1, another 5. So there's our answer.
Okay, so let's go ahead and read the problem. We have 4,352 plus 1,234 is equal to 5,586. Okay, if that was money, you would have a lot of money.
I'll be rich. I'll be able to go to Starbucks every day.
All right, let's go ahead and do the next problem.
The next one is 750 minus 50, which this one's easy. I was doing this before we got these up. 700.
Good. That's pretty simple.
And then the next one is 823 plus 775. So this one, we're taking this one and that one, 6, 7, 8.
So say the numbers as you add them. 3 plus 5 is 8.
And then the next one is 2 plus 7, which would be a 9. Then 8 plus 0 equals 8. So it's 898. The next one is 14 minus 7. 4 minus 7 equals 3. And then 1 minus 0 equals 1.
Okay, so this one is a little bit tricky. And we haven't really got into this one a lot. But 14 minus 7 is not going to get us 13. So we actually have to take from that 1. You have to take a set of 10s from there. But if you think about it, before we even really get into the borrowing when it comes to subtraction, if I have 14, say, candy bars, and I give another friend 7 of those candy bars, how many of those candy bars will I have left? So I wouldn't have 13 of them left if I'm giving 7 of them away. So maybe in this case, you should do some tally marks. So maybe do out 14 tally marks and take away 7. Because I know we haven't really gotten into borrowing and things like that yet. So let's do it this way. And then always remember, when it comes to math, we do still have to use our common sense. So if we have 14 and anything and we're taking away 7, we're not going to have 13 because that doesn't make sense, right? So we want to think about it in terms of, like, also what makes sense. If I have 14 candy bars, which is our little example, and I gave out 7 of those candy bars to my friends, how many of those candy bars would I have left? So you could go ahead and figure that out now. And if you like, you can do tally marks, however you like to do that.
That's 7.
Very good. So I would have 7 candy bars left. That's still a lot of candy bars. Good. So that makes more sense than if I had 14 candy bars and I gave away 7, I would have 13. No, that doesn't make any sense. Okay?
I was thinking of it being 10.
Right. So when we're talking about math problems, we also want to make sure that it makes sense as well. Okay? So let's go ahead to the next one.
Okay, 700.
So we read that as 7,892 minus 120.
Okay, 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 2. What is it again? Oh, sorry. And then 8 minus 1. Another 7. And then 7 minus 0. 7. 7,072.
Okay, good. So 7,772. Good. Moving on to the next. This is an addition problem.
So this one will be 10, but we can't fit it like that.
So carry it right over that 5. Not over the 1. We want to carry that 1 right over the 5. There we go.
It's kind of messed up. And then the next one, now that we have this one, that's 4. So we're counting forward. We were thinking.
Yeah, keep the 1 over there. Keep the 1 over that 5. We're going to take that 1 and add it with the 5 and with the 3. So 5 plus 1 is?
5 plus 1? 6.
6, good. And then add on another 3 to that 6. 6 plus 3 is?
9.
Very good. So go ahead and write that 9 right below the 3. Okay, good.
Still have to erase it or just keep it there?
You can leave that 1 right there. And then you add what? 8 plus 1, which is 9. Good. And what's your final answer with that?
990.
Very good. Okay, moving on to the next one.
3 minus 3.
3 minus 0. Okay, so you have 453 minus 120. Okay, you always want to start in that 1's place value first. Then you go to the 10's place value. So you have 5 minus 2, which is?
And then the hundreds, which is here.
So 5 minus 2 is?
5 minus 2. And then 4 minus 1. Another 3. 333.
Very good.
333.
Good. All right, and our last problem. Can you read that problem out loud?
641 minus 320.
Very good. All right. So we always want to start in the 1's place value. So we're going to do
here.
what? Yep, which is 1 minus 0.
1.
Good. Okay.
And then 4 minus 2.
Mm-hmm.
It's 2.
Good.
And then 6 minus 3. 3.
Good.
321.
Very good.
And I remember that you said not to say and, so
Yep.
like I can't say 321 anymore.
Very good. We just say 321. Only time we want to use that word and is when we have like a decimal place. We're talking about money, and that lets us know that there's something on the other side of that decimal point there. But since these are all whole numbers, we just say it without that word and. So very good. All righty. Well, thank you again, class. And MK was a great student today. So what do we want to tell our class?
Make sure you keep
Solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.